Children, I know that you know a lot of wild animals. So can you see some of the animals in the given picture? Do you recognize them? Yes, there are many animals in the picture. So these animals, they live in a forest. Okay, so can you spot them? Do you know who are they? So let's find out the different animals in the picture. Here on the left side behind the tree, can you see an animal? Right, that is an elephant. That is an elephant. And can you see someone is sleeping on the rock? Rock के ऊपर कोई सोया हुआ है. Do you recognize him? Yes, that is a monkey. So here are the names written here. This is elephant, fox, monkey. So please match the name monkey to the animal. The next one is behind a small rock. Do you know which animal is this? Right, that is a tortoise. So we have matched the name tortoise to the animal. Now, do you know who is this? Which animal is this who is entering the den? Right, this is a fox. So today we are going to read a lesson, and the name of the lesson is Ellie Goes to School. So let's see what we have in the story. I think the story is about some animals only. So let's see what is it. So in the picture, here is a picture here. Can you see a few animals? I can see an elephant, a tortoise, and a monkey. I think the story is about these animals. So let's start the reading part. This is Ellie. She is an elephant. Ellie likes to go to school. So this is Ellie. Ellie is an elephant. And what does she like? She likes to go to school. Now come to the next line. That is Mitz. Mitz is a monkey. He has a long tail. He too likes school. So here in this picture we can see there is a monkey here. Okay, so the name of the monkey is Mitz. And what does he have? He has a long tail, and he also likes to go to school. And the next is, and this is Tough. He is a tortoise. Tough has a hard back. He likes to read. So here is about the small tortoise. And what does he have? He has a hard back. And what does he like? He likes to read. So Ellie, Mitz, and Tough are three friends, and they are going somewhere. So let's find out what do they do and where are they going. Ellie, Mitz, and Tough are good friends. They go to school together. They sit with other baby animals in the class. So what we have found out here? We have found out that Ellie, Mitz, and Tough are good friends. They go to school together, and when they go to school, they sit with other animals, other baby animals in the class. That means there are other baby animals also in the class. So now here in the picture we can find that there is Ellie here, there is Mitz, there is Stuff, and there is one more person here. So that is the fox. Who is this fox now? Let's find out. Miss Feline Fox is their teacher. So now children, what we have found out? We have found out that the fox in the picture is Miss Feline Fox, who is their teacher. And Ellie, Mitz and Tuff like her very much. So all of them, all the three friends, Ellie, Mitz and Tuff, like her a lot. She is their favorite teacher. So what does she teach us? On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Miss Fox puts on her glasses and teaches them from their school books. Her classes are fun. So from Monday to Thursday, Miss Fox, she puts on her glasses and teaches them from the lessons of their school books. But she is a very fun-loving teacher and she makes her classes very fun. So everybody likes her classes. So but Friday is a special day. So what does she teach on Friday? Friday is story time. Friday is story time. Let me read you a story. Miss Fox says on Friday morning. So on Friday morning when Miss Fox came to the class, she said today is Friday and today is a story time. So today I am going to read you a story. And she asks, do you want to listen to your story, children? Do you want to listen to your story, children? She asks. Asks मतलब पूछना. वो सबसे पूछती है. Do you want to listen to your story? And when I ask you, what do you say? Yes, miss. They say together because they love stories. So when their teacher asks them, do you want to listen to your story? What did they say? Yes, they were very happy and excited. And they said, yes, miss. They say together because they love stories. So she takes out a nice picture book and reads them a story. When the story is over, she closes the book and puts it on her lap. That's all for today, children, she says with a smile. So during the story reading class, she takes out a nice picture book of stories and reads them a nice story. And when the story gets over, she closes the book and puts it on her lap, यानी अपने गोदी में रख लिया. That's all for today. यानी आज के लिए इतना ही. मैं भी आप लोग को बोलती हूँ ना children, that's all for today. That means आज के लिए इतना ही. That's all for today, children, she says with a smile. Ellie, Mitz and Tuff get up to help Miss Fox. Ellie waters the plants. Mitz puts the book back into the shelf. He stands on Tuff's back to do so. So as you know that Ellie, Mitz and Tuff like Miss Fox a lot, so they like to help their teachers as well. So ये आप लोग भी करते हो, आप अपनी मम्मी को भी हेल्प करते हो. So you should help your teachers as well. तो वो लोग कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? तो बाहर जो प्लांट रखा हुआ है, प्लांट्स है, एली अपने ट्रंक से वाटर करता है. एली waters the plants here. And what does Mitz do? Mitz puts the book in the shelf. वो जिस शेल्फ से मैम बुक निकालती है वो उसे अपने शेल्फ में वापस रख देता है. और उसके लिए वो किसका हेल्प लेता है? राइट, he takes the help of Tuff. As Tuff's back is very hard, he can climb on Tuff's back so that he can reach the high shelf to put the book back. Miss Fox says, "Thank you, children. See you on Monday." So they have classes till Friday. Saturday is weekend, so they don't have any class on Saturday. Then she says, Miss Fox says, "Thank you, children," because they all helped her by putting the books and watering the plants. वो उनको बोलती है कि आप सबसे मैं मंडे मिलती हूँ. और लास्ट में सब लोग क्या कहते हैं? बाय बाय मिस. दे ऑल से टुगेदर. तो हमें क्या क्या पता लगा? ये छोटी सी स्टोरी है जिसमें 3 फ्रेंड्स हैं एंड द नेम्स ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स आर एली, मिट्स and Tuff, and they all love going to school. Tuff basically loves to read, and their teacher's name is Miss Feline Fox, who teaches them every day. So from Monday to Thursday she teaches her school books, and on Friday they have story time. So Friday she takes out storybooks and reads them a story, and after the class gets over, these 3 friends, Ellie, Mitz and Tuff, they help Miss Fox by watering the plant. How do they help how does they help Miss Fox? Ellie waters the plants, Mitz puts the book back into the shelf, and he takes the help of Tuff to stand on it. And after that, when they help Miss Fox says thank you to them and promises them to see again on Monday. So, children, try to read the words and the lesson on your own the way I read it. If you have any problem in any words, please underline those words so that you can ask me in the evening class for so that you can ask me how to pronounce them if you're not able to read the lines properly. So listen to what I say and how I read the story. All of you also practice how to read it. So see you in my next class so that you people can read on your own. Bye bye, children.